Everybody, this is a really quick video just showing you how to enable GSP in your eBay settings. So first we're going to go to ebay.com/myb/summary. Okay. And then from here we're going to click on account. And here we're going to click on site preferences. Now we're going to scroll down here and find shipping preferences and click on show, and then here you can see offer the global shipping program. Click edit and then click yes. This isn't going to automatically apply it to all of your listings, but it will mean that if you go to your shipping policies, you can now offer GSP. But if you have this set to no, you can't even offer GSP in the first place. So this is step one. And if you're looking to enable GSP and you can't find the option and you're confused, it's probably because this setting here is set to no. All right, guys. See you next video. Ciao.